that is called Good Morning, but I think we are in 3 minutes to Shubha Madhyana. So we can tell both of them. And well, I would like to thank PEP Expo for organizing this event, and I have gone through the stalls and I really found that a lot of innovations is being seen apart from the regular expo stalls which we always see in various places. And I like that this diversity in the display and people getting encouraged to highlight their products is a very good sign for our industry as a whole. And I would like to congratulate again the entire team of PEP Expo for doing it and giving me the honor to speak. Well, I don't have a lot to speak and I don't want to bore you people with thought processes and everything. But I would like to give you a brief that we are all of the same fraternity of a 80,000 crore segment of industry, that is the pulp and paper industry in India, which engages around 2 million people for their household, and everybody is getting a job. 2 million people are there working for us, and if you add 4 people in each family, so it is creating a lot of sense that around 1 crore people gets everything from this paper industry. So we should be proud that we are in an industry which is creating lot of jobs, giving employment and giving the requirement which is for the GDP growth of the country. Well, paper industry, if you say, can be divided into various parts. Starting from, there is one vertical that is called the newsprint. Then we have writing printing paper, which can be both recycled and virgin. Then we have coated paper. Then we have kraft paper. Then we have packaging board, both virgin and recycled, and specialty papers and tissue. So these all gametes put together the entire paper industry. Newsprint is a dying industry at present across the globe. If you see pre-COVID, the total requirement of newsprint was around 2 million tons. And today we are at, the requirement is around 1 million tons. So 50% drop in newsprint is happening because of digitalization, and it is happening globally. So it is degrowing in India, especially at -2% CAGR. But one thing which can keep the newsprint to survival is the vernacular language dailies which we have, because all urban cities are basically going on your mobiles or iPad, or the new generation doesn't read newspaper. But we feel that within next 2 to 5 years, you will see again people coming to print media back. We had a session with Times of India long time back, and we feel that newspapers will again come back, because digital media is good, giving instant information, but it is not so good that what you choose to read. It says what you should read. So digital media is always forces you what you want, what they want you to read. So there will be, there can be some, but at present, newsprint is not growing. Coming to writing printing paper, if you say it is growing at 3% CAGR, internationally it is at 1% or 0.5%. So the base is big, the requirements are coming because of the literacy, and Indian literacy rate is increasing day by day. Still there is a lot of scope, and the government Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is creating the demand for paper for writing printing segment, and we have a lot of the government initiatives also to inculcate knowledge to up to the lowest level of villages so that India becomes a resilient economy with people with lot of education. Coming to coated paper, it is also degrowing to a certain extent because magazines, leaflets, we can say the POP, that is the promotional material, or the danglers, which used to be in coated paper, is reducing day and day in the promotion with more digital advertisements coming. So coated is a segment which is more of 2% to 2.5% growth CAGR happening in India. Leaving that, when we come to the packaging segment, the craft, with the e-commerce booming in India, we have around 8.5% growth in the craft segment happening today, and which is going to grow further, still with B, C, D grade towns, then villages. As it passes on, the e-commerce will become more a daily livelihood for everybody than it is being restricted to the urban cities and B grade towns today. So craft, packaging, paper will see a robust growth in few years' time. Coming to packaging board, the recycled packaging board is growing at around 6 to 7%. Very good quality being recycled board is being manufactured today across the country. Lot of new capacities has come. I'm not going by demand supply gap or pricing today. I'm saying that the scope of recycled board is huge, and with lot of sustainability thought process which is coming to across the globe, you will see recycled board growing much faster in India also, and good quality recycled board will have its position if we have the right technology and the right product mix. The virgin grade board from sustainable sources of pulp have a very good growth prospects because it is getting from sustainable sources, it is getting from reliable sources. What the farm forestry being driven by the Indian industry is creating a lot of social commitment towards the environment. So the virgin grade board